Good morning, students of class 12. Today I discuss the DNA fingerprinting or DNA typing or DNA profiling. Students, basically DNA fingerprinting क्या है? DNA fingerprinting is a technique employed to assist in the identification of individuals on the basis of their repetitive DNA profile is called DNA fingerprinting. This technique was first time started in UK by the Professor Alex Jeffrey at Leicester University. This technique was first time used by the workers to identify the rapist of two girls, and in India, most probably this technique is first come in existence when our late Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi solving the murder case, and late Professor Laji Singh Saab is maybe known as the founder of the DNA fingerprinting in India. For the DNA fingerprinting, the DNA sample, how we will get the DNA sample? This DNA sample we obtain from the blood, semen, or a single hair, or some bits of the clothes also are for obtaining the sample of DNA. Now as far as concerned for the procedure for the DNA fingerprinting. So the procedure for the DNA fingerprinting is that the first of all the DNA isolation, the basic things that the primary steps of the DNA fingerprinting, that the DNA isolation, we are isolated DNA from the blood semen by using the high speed centrifuge technique. If the DNA sample is too much small, so the quantity it becomes amplified, means you make the millions of the copy by using the technique known as polymerase chain reaction or by PCR. So now in the third stage, the DNA sequence cuts at the specific point by the special molecular scissor that's known as the restriction endonuclease for the restriction fragment analysis. So now the next step, the DNA sample are stored in an agarose cell. The technique is called electrophoresis. Now the technique is called electrophoresis. Now the double stranded DNA is now separate into the single strand by the treatment of the alkali. Now the isolated DNA in the gel are copied by the nylon nitrocellulose membrane or placed on a gel. This is called Southern blotting. The next step, the special DNA probes are prepared at in the laboratory are complementary to the VNTR, that is a variable number tandem repeats. The X-ray diffraction, X-ray visualizations. This process is called autodiography. The dark bands on the X-rays DNA finger obtain. The dark band of DNA is obtained on X-rays. This is called DNA fingerprints or DNA profile. Thank you. Now the application of DNA fingerprinting. Students, you know this technique, that is the DNA fingerprinting, is too much important in the field of molecular genetics as well as in medical sciences also. So this technique is very important in forensics. This technique is widely used for the solving the criminal cases like the murders, rapes, robberies. The next is to solve the parental disputes among the people are arise due to some misconceptions. In India, this parental dispute cases are first solved in the Tellicherry from the Kerala. This technique is also determine the extent of genetic variations in wild animals and also study the breeding patterns among the animals. Clear? This technique is also used to determine the extent of genetic variations as well as the breeding patterns in the animals. This technique is used to diagnose the hereditary diseases like Alzheimer's and the other diseases which are gifted from our parents. This technique is the identify the resistance power that are developed by the certain bacteria. For example, the tuberculosis bacteria which are showing the resistance of the certain antibiotics. So for the if we are apply the DNA fingerprinting, we are know which antibiotics, which bacteria is showing the against a particular type of antibiotics. So the new way of the treatment, new way of the treatments are arise from the DNA fingerprinting. Thank you.